In 11th standard unit number 4 short answer number 5 பாருங்க question என்னன்னு using free body diagram show that it is easy to pull an object than to push it. How to write the answer for this? அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும், first என்ன பண்ணுங்க, write heading as push and pull. Under the heading push, I don't write the sentence. When an object is pushed by a force, in bracket la f பண்ணிருக்கோங்க, at an angle theta, then the force இருக்கு இல்லையா, then force is resolved into ரெண்டா பிரியும் into 1 f sin theta. இது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா parallel to the surface. Number 2, f cos theta perpendicular to the surface. When an object is pushed by a force at an angle theta, the force is resolved into two components. One is f sin theta, another f cos theta. Okay. Now I will draw the diagram for this. Consider the block. Now we are going to show the force. See, this is the line of force. Similarly, write it here. When an object is pulled by a force f at an angle theta, then the force is resolved into 1, அதே தான் வரும், f sin theta. Number 2, f cos theta. Here it is parallel to the surface, here it is perpendicular to the surface. Again I will draw the diagram for this. Wait பண்ணுங்க. Let us consider a cube or wood. Now again I am drawing this line of force. The force is going to act here, pushed up arrow mark towards the block, it is pulled away from the block. Okay, then let us consider, mark the point, very important. This is very important. From here the force is acting. If f is acting from this point, see, from this point f is acting. இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல f பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it can be resolved into two components, one along the horizontal, another is along the vertical. Similarly here, one horizontal component, another vertical component. இப்போ இங்கே எழுதக்குள்ள you can write this as f sin theta, horizontal component, parallel component, you can see here f sin theta, then f cos theta perpendicular to the surface, f cos theta. Now f cos theta, f cos theta is making an angle theta with the f. Here f cos theta is making theta with the f. Okay. Now you can see here the body is having a weight or mass m into g. This weight is acting down. See, in this case you can write the equation. What is the net force acting? what is the net force, that is N push is equal to, you can see here mg and f cos theta are acting along the same direction. அப்போ mg கூட add ஆகுது f cos theta. அப்போ I can write this equation as mg plus f cos theta. இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல n புஷ்ல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வெயிட்டோட f cos theta add ஆகுது. அப்போ n புஷ் அதிகமாக இருக்குது அப்ளை பண்ணுற ஃபோர்ஸை விட. Now again here n pull is equal to mg எழுதிக்கோங்க. F cos theta is acting up, that is perpendicular to the surface. So mg லேருந்து அதை மைனஸ் பண்ணிடுங்க, f cos theta. அப்போ mg லேருந்து மைனஸ் பண்ணிடுங்க. அப்போ the வெயிட்லேருந்து f cos theta is subtracted. அப்போ என்ன ஆகும், n pull வந்து கம்மியாகிடுது. When compared to these two equations, I will label this as number 1, this as number 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, we can say it is easy to pull than to push. Now I will draw the free body diagram. இப்போ free body diagram வந்து அவங்க கேட்குறாங்க, அதனால் you can draw the free body diagram. See here, அந்த டாட் பாருங்க, நான் I told you to remember this dot. இந்த டாட் வச்சுக்கோங்க, இங்கே இந்த டாட், இந்த டாட். See here, F, direction of F is F. Here the dot is here. The dot இங்கே வைங்க. Now solve this F into two component. One is F sin theta, F sin theta horizontal, then F cos theta vertical. So this angle is, this is theta, this is theta. Then mg I am going to mention here. This is the normal force, is n is acting up. Here mg is acting down. Here mg is acting down. Then friction force பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, you are pulling, you are pushing this. When you push it, friction force will be acting in the left hand side. Fs. Similarly here, you are pulling this side, Fs will be active. This is the free body diagram. I hope you understood this. பாருங்க, here the body is pushed here. When an object is pushed by a force at an angle theta, then the force is resolved into two components. அந்த ரெண்டு force பார்த்தீங்க, F sin theta and F cos theta. Similarly, in the case of pull, object is acted upon by a force at an angle theta, then the force is resolved into two components, F sin theta and F cos theta. Diagram போடக்குள்ள this point is very very important. இந்த point dot வச்சுருக்கோம் பார்த்தீங்களா, அது வந்து important point. அப்போ அங்கிருந்து தான் F is acting, push. இங்கே பாருங்கள், அங்கிருந்து புல். அப்போ எந்த எஃப்ஐ resolve this into two components, F sin theta, F cos theta, F sin theta, F cos theta. mgயை கீழே போட்டுருங்க. இப்போ வந்து இந்த ஈக்குவேஷனில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா mg F cos theta acting along the same direction, then n push will be equal to mg plus F cos theta. In this case, what is the net force acting, or what is the force acted upon to pull this? N pull equal to mg minus of F cos theta, because it is acting upward direction. So from this two, here it is more force you have to apply to push. Here is the less force because there is minus sign. Then from 1 and 2, it is easy to pull than to push. So then you draw the free body diagram. Thank you.